So this is a review on the Intex 24 by 12 by 54 rectangular pool. Had it up for about 2 months now, and it's holding up really well. Got a little bit of a bend right here. I think it's actually from the base maybe being a little higher in one of those posts that's causing it to bow in a little bit, but you see on this side relatively straight. Same thing for the other sides. So we just had somebody come in and level out the ground. The slope in our backyard was a little off. Paid the guy about $600 to come in and dig that out for me, and then setting it up took about an hour, maybe an hour and a half, 2 hours. Had 2 people to start and then 3 people later on. Third person was really useful when sliding the these poles together through this liner here. Just made things a little bit easier. But overall, the pool is working fantastic. I did upgrade the ladder to a Confer plastic ladder. I think it holds up to 300 pounds. That was just based on the reviews that people had sent on other videos that I watched. And I also upgraded the pump, and I did that beforehand as well. So that was the bigger pump. I think it goes up to 15 or 16,000 gallons. This is a little over an 8,000 gallon pool. There were some of the reviews people had put on YouTube that they had, their initial filter pump had broke and they just chose to upgrade. So I did that preemptively. So I do have a backup if I ever need it. And then you've got jets coming in. Filter's off right now. I'll turn it on and show you what it looks without the cover on in a few minutes. And then you've got 2 pumps filtering. You've got 1 skimmer basket and then 1 just regular filter over here. I usually run it about 4 hours a day. Sometimes if it's rain or something, I'll add an extra 4-hour session, but it does a really nice job considering, you know, the pool's less than $1,000 bucks. But you've got your sand filter right here. Got all the different options. Backwash it every couple weeks or so. Chlorinator, filter basket. Yeah, that's about it. It's actually relatively easy to maintain. It's salt water, so it takes very little upkeep. And actually this solar cover keeps the temperature well above 80. We had a hot streak earlier in the summer where we're having days up in the high 90s, and this thing was hitting 90 degrees frequently. So I'll take the cover off in a little bit and show you what the pool looks like inside. It's relatively clean, and go from there. Alright, here is the pool, the cover off. You can see it is really clear blue. Got some leaves and stuff, debris that fell off the solar cover when I was taking it off. But 10-15 minutes with the skimmer and the pump running, it will it'll clean that up relatively quickly. You can take the skimmer out and do it as well, but for as little as on there, it doesn't take much for it to circulate around and go in the skimmer. You can see that the water is really high. I usually have it an inch or 2 lower than that. It's been raining a lot, so I'm out here. I can show you what you would do. You can either drain it or backwash, but since you probably, I haven't done that in a little bit, all you would do is you turn off the pump and push down on this lever and move it over to the backwash, which is under there. And you do that until the water runs clear. It's it's really easy. I mean, the pool's been great. We've got lots and lots of floats that we use. Parties. It's pretty. It's a big pool. I think it's about 82 degrees right now. So, and I live in New Jersey, so it doesn't get too warm here. But yeah, the Intex 24x12 by 54 pool. It's been a great addition to the backyard. Got a lot of enjoyment out of it. And then I did post another video. We also have the Intex 6-person spa, which is a fantastic investment. It's about $500–600. I did do another video on that, so take a look at that as well. Thanks for watching.
Wow, bolting really bad. Alright, the core is now all filled up.